So, you're cruising down the PCH, you're hungry, and you're looking for some craft cocktails. Well, my friend, all you need to do is veer off once you hit Delmar Avenue. When you get to Violet Lantern, find yourself a nice parking spot and walk through the front doors of the Luxe restaurant and world-famous cocktail bar. And then, my friend, you will know you have made it. Hey everybody, PourMan here, circling the globe. Today, that globe finds us in Dana Point, and I'm lucky enough to have one of the owners here at Luxe in Dana Point. Today, I think in the Northeast, they've got a nor'easter going, and they're in blizzard conditions, aren't they?
Yeah.
My phone said it was 77 degrees here in Dana Point. So,
Mine says 76.
yeah, it's pretty rough out there, but you know, we do make do. And we also make time for our friends. My friend Cindy here is going to give us a little background on Luxe and tell us about this fine establishment. Cindy, what do you got here? Tell me about this place.
So Luxe was established in 2011 by myself and my husband. So we've been here 9 years. We specialize in fresh fruit and vegetable martinis. We also have a full range menu with seafood, steaks, pastas, you name it, we have it. So today, Kristen is going to make
A drink.
Tini.
She's gonna
First.
Kristen's gonna make one of our signature cocktails that I invented. It's called the Libre Tequila Pina Rita Tini. And the reason we call it the Pina Rita Tini is it's part pina colada, part margarita, and part martini.
That sounds wonderful to me.
It's
Well,
really good.
Kristen, you ready?
Let's do it.
Rock and roll.
Alright, so got the shaker. I'm gonna start with fresh pineapple. Fresh cut pineapple. We're gonna muddle that, get that nice fresh taste in there.
And muddle.
Yes, you gotta get all those flavors out.
You must
Get
muddle.
that fresh juice incorporated in there. Get that good and smashed up. Then, of course, our Libre pineapple flavored tequila. Just give that, you know, let's go for it.
And how many ounces of that are we
That's
using?
about 4 ounces.
Oh,
No,
We're making a big,
we're making
bad
a big
boy.
martini.
let's go big or go home, PourMan
Exactly.
says.
Obviously, fresh lime juice for that margarita
Obviously.
part of it.
Wouldn't have it any other way.
No. Even just sweeten it up with this coconut puree,
fresh coconut.
fresh coconut.
And how much of that do you use?
This one I use about an ounce,
A
maybe
squeeze-ish,
3/4 of an ounce.
A little squeeze.
Get our ice in there.
Notice the carefully measured amounts here.
Yes. And give it a good shake all together.
Take that thing.
Right.
That's a pretty good shake you gave it
Ah,
there.
right?
Yeah.
I've done it a couple times.
Yeah.
Got our lovely martini glass here.
Hence the teeny.
Yes. Our product. Oop, there's that fresh fruit coming out. That's
That's
what we
fine.
want.
Even better. Even
We
better.
got that thickness of that coconut in there. It's got
The
that
pina
pina
colada
colada. And then, of course, we want one of these guys.
Delightful.
There you have it.
And a pineapple. in.
And
Of course, why not finish it off like that?
all right. And so, what is this fine concoction called?
This is the Libre Tequila Pina Rita Tini.
All right. And you can only get that here at Luxe in Dana Point. So let's give it a shot. What do you think? Oh, that is good.
Up to you.
That is magnificent. When you come to Dana Point, you have to come to Luxe. You have to have, see? Even the owner likes it. To get the recipe, you go to pourmanmike.com. And if you push this button right over here, you'll instantly become a Pour Minion, which gets you a head of the line speed pass for each and every new PourMan episode and some other cool stuff. Maybe even some Libre gear. Till next time, pour well, pour often, PourMan. See you around.